The complexity of design transfer often gets overlooked and projects get delayed by extra rounds of design for manufacture work. The value we can add by being part of the SANA group is we can work seamlessly through from design to manufacture. We can avoid the risks of any loss of knowledge or incorrect assumptions about processes because we'll involve the people who are actually making the final parts from the concept design phase. As well as designing the parts to be right first time for manufacture, we have the capabilities to do rapid tooled prototypes so we can provide functional parts to quickly give confidence. We work with clients at all stages of the product development process, from prototyping to small batch builds and on to manufacture, which means we reduce the risks associated with scaling up and also ultimately reduce the time to market.